Hello, Mr. Ravi? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we will see. So they send a guy. Let's see when he arrives. The weather is very nice actually in this place.
It's also peaceful here.
Hmm.
I think that is the guy.
Let's see. Excuse me? Are you the guy Mr. Ravi sent?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so we are here to actually look at the PG.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah. I'll take you inside.
You know, actually, my son got admission into that college.
Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, I mean, he was always smart.
Yeah. So, sir, yeah, this is the lobby area, as you can see. So the students can come here, sit together, and I'll show you the house. Yeah. So this is the lobby area, and then we have the room there. So this is the main room for your son. This is the bed, and this is the study room. You can see it is quite spacious. So if you want to bring your own material, I'll switch on the lights here. So you can see. So can we fix it, sir?
Wait, let me see. So I think the room is quite good. We can put a table here and some posters, and the room will look nice. That's fine. One thing we wanted to ask you is that why there are not so many students here? In other PGs there were like a lot of students. This is almost empty.
No, nothing like that, sir. Just students went home for holiday. Nothing like that.
Let me ask Mr. Ravi what.
No, sir. No.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you, sir. So, 2 years back, a student named Abhimanyu committed suicide at the same spot under the same fan where you are standing. So, because of that, from last 2 years, nobody has rented this house.
Any reason for the suicide or?
Nobody got to know, sir.
let me tell you the reason. These kids, they can't even face little bit of challenge.
Yeah.
What will they do to the nation?
It's always easier to say, sir, isn't it? Many times we jump to conclusions. You know, he was once the star kid of the same college. He was a loser. But every loser has a story. Indians. All they want is an engineering degree from an elite college. Again, easier to say, but what goes behind is cruel and shady. Just after rigorously preparing for class 10th boards, you might think the things are over. But all we are told is to get prep up for the JEE. Not mains, dear, but advance. Cause we want the best. Do we or do our parents? You can't say, can you? Hilarious as it is, let's agree that it's complicated. Okay, somehow after burning all that midnight oil, yippee, we made it to the elite system. Life is set, as they say once you go there. It's always easy. Again, let's define easy. 8 semesters, 10 subjects per semester, 10,000 hours of assignments, lab reports, viva, quizzes, class test, mid-sems, end-sems, etc. per semester. Easy peasy. Breathe. Success is near. We will rock in internships and placements. Rejected. Sir, your English isn't good. Sir, you don't know coding. Sir, there is not much we can do about your personality. Sir, I think you did good, but we can't accept you. Sir, you won't fit in our system. Breathe, sir, breathe. Cause those hours and hours you shoved in your study to understand the beautiful concepts of science, to grasp the best grade, to meet deadlines, have paid nothing. Zero. Zero. Questions. Were you meant to do this? You wasted 6 years of your life. What will your parents think of you? How will you repay the money they spent on your fees? What will your relatives say? What will you say to your friends earning 7-figure salary? Will you be respected anymore? Will anyone love you anymore? Your life is doomed, kid. Finished. Deadline has come. No one is there to help me. Before 12 a.m. midnight, let's put it in Google Classroom.
I think it's not always that easy.
What about the house, sir?
We will think about it. kids nowadays, they have to face a lot of trouble.
It was so scary.
Yeah. Mr. Ravi is here. Hi, Mr. Ravi.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. The guy who was supposed to show you the house has not come. No problem, I have come. I'll show you the house.
But we have already saw the house.
Who has shown you the house?
How unfortunate it is to lose a life, especially by a suicide. For some, the reasons of suicide is the academic pressure. For some, it is a breakup. For some, it is the loss of a dear one. For some, it is a substance addiction. But what we need to remember is the fact that these failures, these mistakes, these inevitable problems in life are bound to happen. But whenever they happen, we need to stand up again. We need to accept the situation and try analyzing it. We need to get a solution of these problems. And the best way, and one of the best ways actually, is to discuss it with your family members and your peers. And in the same list, you can add the name of Sarthi, the Guidance and Counseling Unit of IT Therapy. With the pool of expert counselors from our institute and from Your Those Private Limited, we strive to empower our institute with a never give up attitude. In these challenging times, when there are triggers all around us, please reach out when you are facing some problems in life, and especially reach out to Sakti. And remember the fact that changes in perception do bring changes in scenarios. As it goes with saying, Nazariya badlo, nazare badal jate.